Here we will introduce the specific replacement steps. Rotate the lock knob to the left. Turn the spreader as a whole. Separate the spreader main body and the spread tank. Pull out the R pin. Rotate the thumb nut to the right. Remove the thumb nut. Remove the gasket and spinner disc. Press down on the buckles on the spreader casing. Separate the casing. Unscrew the screw on the side of the flange. Sequentially remove the flange, sleeve bearing, and retaining clip. Manually rotate the hopper gate to its maximum opening. Take out the original large gear. Install the small flow hopper gate. Rotate the hopper gate. Check if the mark line is aligned. Adjust the installation if not. Sequentially install the retaining clip, sleeve bearing, and flange back. Tighten the flange screw. Reinstall the spreader casing. Snap the buckles. Reinstall the spinner disc and gasket. Tighten the thumb nut. Insert the R pin. Mount the spreader back to the spread tank. Then reinstall the assembly into the drone. Power on the drone and remote controller. Perform a flow rate calibration on the spreading system settings screen. Thank you for watching.